Yo, Trig, you should join RTS.
I didn't want to be your 700 something into one choke.
Oh no, I just checked. I actually have 740 choke. So you didn't want to be my 741 choke?
Ooh, lucky headshot.
He threw a frag at me.
Oh. Screw you, Trigger! Yo, join the TS Trig. It's darkjedi.org.
Weapons out! Cover while I reload!
Yeah, Trig, get in here. I need to discuss that little friggin' incident. Shot me in the face.
Assault team, grab the objective and get it to extract. Over.
Post the info for me so I got the total number.
It's darkjedi.org.
There's no port numbers, it's darkjedi.org.
.org, yeah.
Gotta punch.
Reloading!
Nice, Ben. Thanks for pickup.
I don't believe it.
Dark.
Yes, bro!
I saw one
Whoever's on
dark.
those stairs with me, I could not hit you because my kid kept leaning in front of my face.
Changing mags!
I think I was doing more than my soldier was.
Oh, no sniper, bro. Pistol on.
Should do a sniper only round.
Cover me,
That would
reloading!
that would be
This server
unfair.
config doesn't allow it.
We need a
Working on
choke
that.
only round.
Snipers only be unfair for us, Trigger. You're not allowed to use a sniper. Nobody let Trigger use his sniper.
Sadly, with snipers only, it'd be can't fucking fit.
Don't you mean camp hospital?
Assault team, grab the objective and get it to extract. Over.
Changing mags! Cover me, reloading!
I only had one shot left, that sucks.
Yo, no nades.
I was like, oh, I got this guy securing my buddy. Pow, reload.
Nice,
Oh.
Jake. Oh, damn it! Everyone is down in Dark Room. World War III, Dark Room.
Changing mags! Patch me up.
I'm now reloading. Got you covered.
Assault team, grab the objective and get it to extract. Over.
Press up. I'll come.
Surgery.
Enemy contact.
Base north stairs, break room.
Wow.
All patched up. All good.
Press up. I'm covered. Got your six, move up.
Assault team, grab the objective and get it to extract. Over.
Reloading.
I'll cover.
Securing X-ray. Assault team, grab the objective and get it to extract. Over.
Such a little. Thank you.
Got eyes on HVT.
Gurney Hall.
Gotta reload.
I got it out this time, thank God. I'm just glad he didn't like show me off.
So much for no objective.
Nobody
No,
said
that
that.
was-
Sorry, man. I just came in.
Okay. It's been going across the text thing the whole time.
I was looking at people, not at fucking text messages. Sorry. I'll leave if you want me to.
Ain't my server.
Fine.
I
You're
wouldn't
fine.
ask you
Relax. Everybody relax.
to.
Assault
Whoa.
team, grab the objective.
Didn't sound like
and get it to
anybody wasn't
extract.
relaxed.
HVT spotted.
Surgery.
I've got contact.
Reloading.
Thank you.
Yep.
Six, move up.
Move out.
Press up.
Who's got contact where? Alright.
Press up. Cover.
Securing X-ray. Assault team, fray.
Yo, who's using the M4?
Enemy spotted.
Got you sick.
Got eyes on enemy.
Alright, good to go.
Sorry.
Enemy spotted.
Two picked up main show.
He's in midair.
Hey, are we allowed to use stuns?
Yes.
Yes. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm back.
And block extract.
Whoever's AFK needs to wake up.
That AFK is having troubles.
How did that flash not get you?
Max, me and you.
That is weird.
No, reloading!
I'm out.
Up
Reloading.
and over or something.
I need pick up main choke. Two people just walked right past me.
No, I didn't make the door.
You guys doing pistols only?
Yep.
Okay.
What? No.
I should hack him.
What?
I'm going to hack account.
What are you talking about? Can't tell anybody, buddy.
Oh, I'm sorry, was that a secret?
And block extract.
Bullseye.
Dark lobby.
Outside of dark. In lobby. We're all down and you're it.
Yeah.
God.
Team, you're on defense. Defend the objectives and block extract.
What a name. Loves to spooge. Choke.
Up and over.
Dark and fly.
Wow. West is down. There's like 4 of them.
Is there choking allowed?
Yes.
Okay, whatever.
Somebody have a...
It was kind of bull though. I saw that.
There's no way that didn't flash him.
Man, somebody shot me on my own team with a fucking AR last round, trying to run up and kill that
Shoot him
guy.
back.
You're on defense. Defend the objectives and block extract.
Well, let me know who it is next time if you can.
And then shoot him. I'm sorry, don't listen.
Dark lobby.
Yo, pistols only.
You gotta love that health fun. You gotta love
Hey, at least I didn't get choked. That's all I cared about.
Give me cover.
Need help, dark lobby.
I'm out. Nick.
Ah, got him.
I'm down. I'm on roll.
Shit.
I'm out.
Good shot, Lucky, again.
I'm out. Reloading.
Gallery. No sense of picking me up. I'm out of ammo. Thanks anyway. So.
He's under the...
See those choke skills, Mo.
Oh, that was my last bullet. We got a choke mode. I
Stan,
got
you and
4
nothing
stuns.
to lose or last.
I got 4 stuns. You ready?
Yo, soldier, you alive?
Yes.
Get
I
son.
come for you now. I'm out of stun grenades, but it'll...
Oh damn, he's secure.
All I gotta do is wait 30 seconds.
Just waiting for you in lobby.
Ah, I shall choke you. Oh, no.
Run, Forrest.
Who's that?
Don't do it.
Stop.
Yes.
That firefight in upper gallery, that was fucking intense. Good shit, everyone. On both sides. Winner, chicken dinner. Whoever wins this gets to take soldiers home. Be his bitch.
Icy's a
cookies in the
clan
jar.
hopper, guys. Icy's a mad clan hopper.
Team, you're on defense. Defend the objectives and block extract.
I thought you guys just like to know that.
10-4, rubber duck.
What are you talking about, buddy?
Over here,
So he's been in 3 clans. And yeah, I heard you're...
They're seriously arguing right now?
Killer King.
You right around that corner.
Good shot, bro.
Dark's down.
Atrium like 3. One's in that room.
Dr. Pepper.
Team, you're on defense. Defend the objectives and block extract.
Sadly, he doesn't have a comm, so he can't reply to my stupidity.
Dark's down.
All patched up.
Damn, Doc, sorry. Didn't get here in time to save your life. Your life, son. Somebody's behind me. Soldier, double.
Hey, is that team chat still going on?
Huh?
Oh, that team.
Lucky! What's up, Lucky?
What's up?
That team chat from yesterday.
What, Royal?
Huh? That team chat from yesterday, is that still going on?
Yeah, every day, man.
Sweet.
Every day we're hustling.
Whatever. I'm not gonna join this one now.
Huh?
So I'm not
Lucky
gonna
we're
join
doing
this
pistol.
one now.
I'm out.
In dark room. In here.
Dr. Pepper, if you're flash, still don't shoot me.
Oh, what's that?
Please don't shoot me with your M4.
I didn't, did I?
Oh, no, it must have been. Oh, never mind, I forgot you were flash.
I'm empty. Give me cover.
From West Hall.
No, I thought all I had was my pistol.
Up and over.
I'm down.
I'm empty. Need cover.
Dark room's down.
Covering you. Got your 6, move up.
Team, you're on defense. Defend the objectives and block extract.
Only Moat kills Moat. Only Moat kills Moat.
You're good to go.
Body ain't off like that.
When I get.
I'm empty. Need cover. I'm empty. Give me cover.
Damn.
That was some good shooting, but damn.
Gotta reload.
Ticket!
Yo, you were.
I'm out.
Joe. That wasn't nice.
I was out of bullets, man.
Well, it worked, damn it.
Hugs are fun too.
I'm covering you.
Team, you're on defense. Defend the objectives and block extract.
Get back.
I hadn't realized we started.
Started dark.
Clear. Clear.
No!
Serpentine! Serpentine! Beep!
Yes!
Trying to go serpentine pattern, I'm sorry.
Got eyes on HVT.
Wow, a communist. As soon as I tagged you, my freaking game froze.
Okay. 2 double doors.
North stairs.
Nice.
You hacker.
Covering you.
Team, you're on
Press
defense. Defend the objectives and block extract.
I hit you in the back of the head.
Go rush along the hall, see if I can do anything with that.
2 double doors.
Nice.
Changing mags.
Yep.
All good. Reloading.
Sorry, Royal.
Alright, you're good to go.
It's all good.
I saw someone slide around that corner. I'm like, PTSD. Just shoot everything.
Okay, a friendly enemy just died, and I don't know if I should be scared. To be honest, that scared the shit out of me.
No worries. Your Secret Service details there, soldier.
You're on defense. Defend the objectives and block extract.
Damn. Good shot, Ben.
Get me behind
Changing
you.
mags.
Ah, shit, they're coming from west.
Man, you're on the wrong team. Come join me and Trigger.
On your six. Move up.
What's up, Stan?
Ain't not much. How you doing, brother?
Long time no see.
The main.
Yes, it is.
Objectives and
We're in,
Oh,
we're
damn.
all in, Jedi. Or SFS UTS.
Reloading.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Can't hit shit. They're over there by dark.
I ate these guys.
Choke and pepper.
Good shot, Ricky.
Yeah, bitch.
got eyes on HVT.
One main.
I'm empty. Need cover.
Find you.
I'm out of bullets.
Reloading.
Rocket.
I saw you trying to get behind him, too.
Hell yeah.
Fucking G18.
Man, 3 and 11.
Yes.
Let's up. We'll cover.
Team, you're on defense. Defend the objectives and block extract.
Dr. Pepper, I'm coming with you.
Cover me. Reload.
Shit, Mac.
Ah, shit, long haul down.
Reloading.
Reload.
Long haul.
Yeah, long haul's down.
Oh, I thought you there. Oh, they were good. Never mind. Sorry.
Changing mags.
J-Max, you do need reload, buddy.
HVT spotted.
Thank you.
All patched up.
Nice.
They're lucky.
No such thing.
I'm covering you. Move up.
Team, you're on defense. Defend the objectives